YouTube, welcome back to a long-awaited episode. This is part 3 of making a Roblox simulator, and right here, as you can see, we have an actual map, and we're inside studio. And this map was made by our modeler slash map builder, so credits go to him. But anyways, this is one of these zones. Actually, you spawn right here. Basic first zone. You have some shops here, upgrades, pet index, etc. Pretty cool stuff. Isosa right here is our programmer, and right here it says danger because these little red indicators are the spawn points for the mobs. There's some ants and some crowns and hats. Right here we have the pet with the mob boss, which is this giant mantis. Let's take a look at the UI. I'm gonna open up the teleport first because I like how it looks. So teleport, here's the mainframe that contains everything inside. And of course, if you get a device, you can take a look. Everything is scaled properly, as you can see. So we have a UI aspect ratio, constraints, close, exit button. We have the background plates here, which contains the bottom section, the teleport icon, the top section, and the title. So the top section, also the UI aspect ratio. The top section has a container, which has, obviously is important. So we have the blue panel, the locked panel, and pink panel. This is a scrolling frame, so you are able to scroll down, obviously. And yeah, unlocked icon. Each of these have an icon inside. So that right there is the teleports frame. We have a trade list right here. This one uses a UI list. This just makes everything much easier. So yeah, so let's hide trade list. Let's go to trading frame. There's supposed to be text here, I just haven't added it. But trade in progress, so your offer, you're able to put your pets here, or offer what you want to trade. You can hit accept or decline. So that right there is the trading frame. Now, what else we have? Let's take a look at index. This is the pet index, just very basic stuff. You guys have seen this in part 1 already. This is the next zones. And rocket ship takes you somewhere. I don't know where, but it takes you somewhere. Okay, so let's hop into a little test session. I'm gonna show you guys some of the movement and basic mechanics. Let's wait for the assets to load here. Let's give it a second. Done. Okay, so here we are. Some cubes we can jump on. Okay. Right here is the daily rewards icon, so this will pop up if you have a reward to claim. Click on it, and obviously you get your reward. Here is the mob that you saw in the logo that I remade into a vector. Alright, I can't show you guys some things because the scripter is currently working on something, so the game items aren't in place to be tested currently, but you can see the map here. So everything is coming along pretty nicely. Yeah, I think that will do it for this video. Thank you guys again for watching. If you guys want to see more, just stay tuned. Appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys next time.